Hi everyone, it's me again. So today I wanted to teach you guys a fun way to count. We're going to start off, parents, this activity will work on a computer, a laptop, or Chromebook, but unfortunately it will not work on a tablet or a phone. So just bear with us and enjoy and watch. But I will post a link in my description for you guys to work on this on your Chromebook or your laptop, computer, whatever you have with a keyboard. So let's get started. So firstly, I'm going to take you to the website. It's called abcya.com. And you click it, and when you get to it, sometimes it takes a moment to load, but eventually you will get to this screen. Now, what I end up doing is I click on grade 1, and then I end up clicking on numbers. And you'll see all these fun games, so you guys can try them out later on your own, but for now, I'm going to scroll down until I see the interactive number chart. Because as my friends know, we practice our counting all the time, and sometimes there might be an easier way to count, so let's see what we can do. So I press play, and then I get this really cool screen. So for you guys, I'm just going to zoom in just a little bit so we don't have to see all that other stuff on this side, okay? But as you can see, there's a blank number chart here. And then we have to the left, we have all these different colors. So when you guys practice on your own, you can choose any color you want. And they have different variations of the charts. They have 0 through 99, which looks like this. And they have the 1 through 100 chart, which I'm going to be using. And then they have the 1 through 120 chart if you're feeling up to the task, okay? But for now, let's just focus on 1 through 100. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just select yellow because it's bright, everyone can see it, and it's kind of fun and friendly, right? But when we count, my friends, we usually go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And when we learn how to skip count, we're going to do just that. We're going to start and we're going to skip numbers. So we count. We see 1 here, and then we see 2. So I'm going to click here with my yellow and make a 2. And then I'm going to skip 3, and then I'm going to highlight 4. Then I'm going to skip 5 and highlight 6. Skip 7 and highlight 8. Skip 9 and highlight 10. So now when I count my numbers, I'm only going to count the ones that are in yellow. So for this row, we're going to say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Isn't that a lot easier than counting all those numbers? So what I'm going to do for the next portion is I'm just going to go down, and where I see a yellow box, I'm just going to go down that whole row and highlight all of these down the row for all the numbers. So give me just a moment while we do that, and you're going to see that when we count from 1 through 100 with skip counting, it's going to feel like we did such a faster job, okay? So hold on. And if you have this at home, I want you guys to practice doing this on your own. I want you to highlight all the same numbers that I did, skip counting the first row first, and then just all the ones going down, okay? So now as we count, we call this skip counting by twos, okay? The number 2, because it's every other one. So 1, 2, 1, 2. That's what it means, skip counting by twos, okay? So now we're going to count to 100, only counting only saying the numbers in the box, okay? So we're going to skip count by twos. Are you ready? Count with me. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60. Are you tired yet? Let's keep going. 62, 64, 66, 68, 70. 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. Congratulations, my friends. You just counted to 100 using skip counting by twos. Give yourselves a clap. I'm so proud of you. Now, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to clear my board. Ready? Clear. Yay. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to be making another skip counting, but this time I think the twos were a little too much still, so let's try to make it a little easier and skip count by fives. So I'm going to go ahead and let's use this green color. Let's see if I like it. Ooh, I do like it. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to skip count by fives. So just like I did before with the twos, I'm going to count by fives and then I'm going to put a green. I'm going to make that number green, okay? So let's count by fives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, I only have 2 numbers on the top row. Wow, this might be a little bit easier, my friends. So what are the 2 numbers that we highlighted? We have 5, and then we have 10. Very good. So what you're going to do next is let's highlight all the numbers underneath, okay? So we're going to highlight all of these numbers down here on both columns, and then we're going to count by fives all the way to 100. Are you ready? Count with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Yay! Give yourselves a round of applause. You counted by fives all the way to 100. Good job, my friends. Now, parents, this is where you could pause the video and practice your skip counting if you're not able to access this worksheet. Have your child point to the numbers on the screen and count and say it aloud. That would be super awesome and a good way to do it. So now let's go ahead. We're going to clear our board again. I'm sorry, but we're going to do one more thing and we're going to count by tens. So let's see, what number do you think we're going to end up on when we count the first row? We're going to count by tens. What do you think we're going to highlight? All right, well, let's see if you're right. Ready? Count with me. We're going to count to 10 and we're going to color that number red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you said 10, awesome job. So just like we did with twos and just like we did with fives, let's highlight all the numbers underneath all the way down to 100. And now we're going to skip count by tens all the way to 100. Are you ready? It's not a lot of numbers. I know you can do it. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good job, my friends. Give yourselves a round of applause. You did it. So you are going to be so proud of yourselves because you're going to be able to count by twos, by fives, and by tens all the way to our big number 100. I am so proud of you. Keep practicing. I'm going to post a link to this website so you can do it on your own. If you want to practice, that would be awesome. But again, if you can't do it because you have a tablet or a phone, it's okay. Just pause the screen, pause my video on the screen that has all the numbers, and then you can count and put your finger on it just like we did before. But until next time, keep on learning, keep on having fun, and I will see you next time. Bye.